It was a cold, rainy evening when Sarah was walking home from school. The streets were quiet, and the sound of falling rain filled the air. Suddenly, she heard a soft cry. Near a trash bin, she found a small injured street dog, cold, hungry, and afraid. Sarah felt sorry for him. She gently wrapped her scarf around his wounded leg and took him home. At home, Sarah cleaned his wounds, gave him warm food, and a safe place to rest. That night, the lonely street dog found something more than shelter. Sarah named him Buddy. One afternoon, while walking on a quiet street, a wild stray dog suddenly appeared. It walked toward Sarah with angry eyes and a threatening growl. But Buddy did not hesitate. He stood bravely in front of Sarah. The stray dog finally backed away and disappeared into the distance. Sarah hugged Buddy tightly with tears in her eyes.